Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Mini Cooper S Classic Countryman. This car comes with the 2-litre petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 176 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 43 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is 24 and this is a one-owner vehicle, having covered just over 30,000 miles. This lovely colour is called the Island Blue and looks in really good condition for the age and mileage. As we look inside, first of all, you've got these nice sports seats, which are really supportive, and with the stripes going up the centre. Onto the dashboard, you've got your multimedia screen there in the centre for your satellite navigation, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and this car also has air conditioning, as well as automatic headlights and wipers, and you also have the digital cockpit display there as well, so that looks really smart. The Countryman is a great car for the family, so easy access into the back, lots of legroom and headroom. So if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example, and the rear bench has 3 individual seat belts. And as you open the tailgate, you have the good sized boot there, nice and deep with the split folding rear seats, and the parcel shelf is still in place, so that's good to see. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, the 17-inch alloy wheels, and also rear parking sensors. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and with finance from just 10.9%. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, please give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.